on security, right? So I could share a few tips on how you could actually, secure your system. So personally, my approach to it is when it comes to critical parts of your application, say for instance payments, data, and the likes, you could follow the approach of where we have spec-driven development, where you could specify some set of specs. You could specify some standards, right, that the AI agents must adhere to. So if you're using an editor like Cursor, so you can set what we call Cursor rules, right? If you're using an editor like Cursor, if you're using Claude Code, you can specify in your Claude.md file. So what you just say is, okay, for instance, for my password hashing, specifically use bcrypt but certain versions, right? So when you tell your AI agents the specific tools they should use when building this section of your application, from my experience, I have found out that they stick to it, right? As opposed to just telling the AI, you know what, but yeah, it works when you have specification files, when you have spec files, they stick to it, especially when using swamps, they stick to it. As opposed to when you just tell me, build me a backend, the agent basically just uses the best practice, whatever he knows, right? But when you basically have to specify, like I'm saying this, right, because this is for even the part of systems we've worked on, on payment systems, we've had to, obviously, I never built payment system using AI agents, I have trust issues. But I'm saying that for other parts of the business, specifications helps a lot, right? And because also I will never take this away from us, is that as much as AI is very good at producing code, learn to review your code. Yeah. I mean, it has taken away the job of you writing the code by hand, but review your code. I mean, one crazy hack I do is that I take about 3 different AI agents on my PRs to check it, right? I use CodeRabbit, I use Claude Code, right? GitHub Copilot. They all check. When they check, I then check the final review. You understand what I'm trying to say? So, yes, just to be safe, right? For critical parts of the application, just review your code, right? So you don't run into instances where money is moving from accounts that was not there before. So that's all my tips on security.